eventually have families and all of that, how do you then encourage access to education? No matter your disability, no matter your caste, no matter your religion, race, whatever. How do you then promote an access to education? What is your thought on that? And how do we take it forward?
So for people who don't have physical power to do a job, they need their mental power. And for mental power to be utilized or to be recognized, you need education. So for people with disabilities, the only way to really become financially independent and truly empowered is by getting an education and hence getting a job based on that. Because see, the whole point of a disability means that your physical movement or physical participation in the society is reduced. At least the people that don't have mental disabilities, when we're talking about them, right? Which basically means education becomes, you have to have either of those things. You either have physical strength or you have mental strength. So mental powers is where you will only get your standing, which is where, let's take the case of Sumit and I both. We both have managed to be where we are only through education. And hence the access to education is the primary way we get people with disabilities into the corporate sphere, into the economic sphere, and truly lead to their empowerment. And hence remove the stigma of being disabled, because that also is the main objective when we're looking at this.